Hi, ma'am. I'm Shirley Tismo, 41 years old. I am separated from my husband. I have one daughter who's 16 years old already. And then about my working experience, I was able to work in Bahrain for 2 years and with 5 kids. And then after that, I worked here in Hong Kong for 4 years and 3 months. First with Chinese family with 5 adults, and then the second was with Scottish family. They have a huge garden in it with lots of pets, and then with 3 kids also. Therefore, I have experience in gardening. I cook also Chinese food, ma'am. Chinese, basic Western food. That's it. And then I'm looking forward to seeing you, ma'am. My honesty and my perseverance and my devotion to my work and the assurance that I'll be working for you with dedication. I'm looking forward to seeing you, sir. Thank you very much.